How to fix can't add image or photo in Reddit comment. Let's get started. First, launch your Reddit app. Then navigate to any of the posts where you want to comment with the picture. If you cannot add an image or photo in your Reddit comment, check if the subreddit allows image comments. Not all subreddits allow images in the comments. Check the rules of the subreddit to see if image posting is enabled. Some subreddits allow images via a image gallery post or media comments. Try posting an image in a separate post instead of a comment. Try switching between Reddit app, mobile browser or the desktop site. You might be able to comment with picture in the desktop site or the web version of Reddit. So you can navigate to the website of Reddit, provide your credentials and log into your account and check if this feature is available or not. Likewise, you can uninstall the Reddit app and then again reinstall it. Press and hold on the app and select the option of delete. Launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Reddit and then install it. Likewise, check your account restrictions. New accounts might have restrictions on posting images. If you have low karma, some subreddits may limit your ability to post images in comments. If a subreddit does not allow image comments, the best workaround is uploading the image to Imager and posting the link. Following these steps, you will be able to post picture comment in Reddit. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.